Here at Car Care Kiosk, we recently worked on a 2017 Kia Cadenza, and we thought we'd show a couple of the repairs from that vehicle. First off, let's see how to take out the rear inner taillight bulb housing. Open the trunk and reach up here. There are 4 rivets to remove in order to take down this lining. Remove each of the 4 rivets. Then, you can pull the lining away from the trunk. Pull down in a controlled manner. It may get stuck in this position right here. Reach over and disconnect the bulb housing at the back. Press the tab and pull the connector down. Remove 4 10mm bolts from the back of the housing. Now you can lift out the housing and replace it. Next, we're going to show you how to put the front wiper blade into the service position on this vehicle.
To put the wipers in the service position, you need to turn the car to the accessory position, turn the car off, and then hold up on the wiper stalk for a few seconds until they go up into the service position.
Finally, let's locate the brake fluid reservoir and engine coolant reservoir. Easy, I know, but for some folks, it's nice to just know where it is. Back here is your brake fluid reservoir. Here's the max and min markers. Over here on the passenger side, that's your coolant reservoir. On the front, you can find the max and min lines. If you want more car repair videos just like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe from this channel. Check back in later this week as we'll show you how to take out the headlight housing on this vehicle. And for even more repair videos, please visit carcarekiosk.com.